morning, friends. It's 6:30 a.m. in the morning, and today is 11th October 2021. The day is very special to me as I am motor vlogging for the first time. I am using my bike, Harley Davidson Street 750, and my newly bought camera, GoPro Hero 8. This area is Gerukamukh in Assam. It's a border area of Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. The sun rises very early in the area, and it's only 6:30 a.m. and you must be seeing the intensity of light. Due to too much of rainfall and fertile land, there is lush green forest all around. Various nalas and river flow from the adjoining mountains, and you must be seeing many cross drainage work in the stretch of the ride. This is a very special area because the 2000 megawatts Swansea Lower project is being constructed on the Swansea river in this Gerukamukh area only. The project is under construction, and first 2 units of the powerhouse out of the 8 units are being hoped that they will be commissioned by August 2022. Friends, you all must be enjoying the lush green forest area of the region. There is hardly any traffic in the morning. Only the workers of the project which are changing their shift, mostly they ply on this road during this time. There is ample amount of oxygen due to lush green area, and hence you will feel rejuvenated by riding on this road. Now we are entering into the project area. This is the main gate guarded by CISF 24/7. The road is being washed by water 3 to 4 times in a day to avoid air pollution due to dust sprayed by the construction vehicles flying on the road. On the right hand side, you must be seeing yellow boundary wall. This is the boundary wall of Kendriya Vidyalaya, Gerukamukh. The road is still under construction. Due to water spreading on the road, it is slippery and you have to drive it cautiously. On the right side, this is the Kendriya Vidyalaya gate. left side there is premises of the contractor PGIG Soma, which is being involved in construction of the dam. On the right side, this is the shopping complex to facilitate the people living in the colony. There is also a state bank in the shopping complex. Now, I will make a right turn into the main office cum residence complex of the project. This is the main gate being guarded by the CISF staffs 24/7. This is the main road of the residential and office complex area. On the right side there is the administrative building or the office building. On the left side, the area is for helipad. I will take you to my residence through forest area of the colony. This is the main helipad area on the left. On the right side, there is Project Hospital. This is the outer ring road of the colony. I prefer to take this road because of lush green forest on both sides of the road. Morning shift bus is coming, and therefore I have to give the bus the way to cross because the road is very narrow due to thick vegetation on both the sides. Now I will make a about turn and follow my own path. See the density of the forest on both sides of the road. Various species of the snakes live in the area in this forest. On the left is the outer boundary wall of the project of the colony. And after the boundary wall, there is a big nala coming from the mountain. You have to be cautious when some four-wheeler vehicle is passing by you. On the right side is the HOP residence. quarter, very well managed, very well maintained. There is uphill and downhill slope on this road, therefore you will enjoy riding bike on this road. Various pedestrians are there. They are taking their morning walks. On the right side, these are type 3 quarters. The colony is very much well planned. I am taking my path to type 3 quarter where I live. This was a very beautiful morning ride. To all my friends, you all must have enjoyed my ride, seeing my rides. Now I have reached my residence. Hope that you all must have enjoyed my ride, seeing my ride. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Thank you. Have a good day.